Hello friends, this video is about corporate IoT training by Hytron. So let me start with what is IoT. IoT is the Internet of Things, which is a global network of computer, sensor, and actuators connected through Internet protocols. This is basically the next generation devices that talks to each other over Internet. Now, why we should care? If you look at the market statistics in 2014, it was around 6,000 million devices has been installed, and in 2017, it is somewhere around 13,000 million devices is connected, and it is projected by 2020 that it would be somewhere 27,000 million devices will be connected in 2020. So if you look at the business verticals, almost all the business verticals, starting from the home automations to transport, healthcare to smart cities, each and every business vertical these days have one way around other some sort of IoT contribution in it. There are a lot of different products that will be coming into this business verticals. And if we look at closely how much we will be investing in a couple of years, it will be somewhere more than $1 trillion. So what it means it will create a lot of jobs. So not only jobs, but it also creates a lot of opportunities for the peoples who want to get into the entrepreneurships or want to get into the startup ecosystem. So it's in and all, IoT will be coming up with a lot of different opportunities and growth opportunities by 2020. Now let's talk about the model that we used for end-to-end IoT training. Our training is very precisely designed, and the architecture that we follow is we break down entire process of designing IoT product into three different parts. So first part will be device to device communications. So this is a part where we used to learn and build some projects how we can use the data, sensors and other physical devices and take the data from the sensors and actuators into the gateway. The next part is where device is connected to server. So it is a device to server communications. So the data that we have taken before from the sensors will be routed or passed to the cloud. So in the cloud it will be stored by using device to server communication. And there are a lot of different technologies that involves in device to server communications, and we will be learning and we will be doing a lot of projects around the technologies that will be the part of IoT architecture. And the last but not least is a server to server communication. This is where our cloud data is talking to the front end mobile applications, from where we are actually controlling the devices that will be installed somewhere in the field. Apart from that, we will also put the light in our training about how the analytics has been done, because when we talk about the IoT and IoT enabled devices, there are a lot of massive chunk of data that will be coming out of the devices. It may be a sensor data or anything else that we will be having those data, and that will be useful to make the business decisions, and we will be learning about how we can perform the analytics over the data so that it will be useful for us. Now, some cool applications that I want to introduce you is something that you can see on my screen is a smart refrigerator. So this is a IoT enabled product which would not only allow you to track each and every egg in your refrigerator, but also your mobile app is linked to the e-commerce site. When you are coming into the situation where you are running out of your eggs, your mobile apps will talk directly to your e-commerce site and put the order online, and you will save a lot of it would make your life easy to get order your eggs, and there would not be possibility to run out of eggs in your refrigerator. So this is how the IoT enabled products will be coming up these days, and it will make the life easy. So with the help of this sort of training, you will be allowed to create a products something like this. So no matter which stage you are, either you are beginner or advanced beginner or proficient, we will help you. We will help you to learn about how you can start putting the components onto the breadboard to create the front end mobile app. So whatever comes in between, we will be teaching you each and every level. So you might be having question how we will help you, how we will make you happen, like to get from the beginner to expert IoT developer. So our modules, our different modules, you can see on slide, there are 1 to 5 different modules, and these modules are designed very specifically and very precisely to allow you to learn from the scratch. I mean, putting the components together onto the breadboard to build the entire IoT applications. Okay, so what will you get in this training? So kits and certificates, you can get almost all the training programs, but apart from that, our participants will receive a training material which will be a very extensive and quality material that will be useful for them to revise the content of the training as and when it's needed in their life. Apart from that, you will get your hands dirty with hardwares to create your own IoT device. Okay, you also been provided 100% hands-on experience where you will be building, your own circuit. You will be designing your circuit, and also you will be programming. So apart from that, our online training includes the lifetime access, 24/7 support, which is unique in itself. We will be providing classroom recordings for them and mobile access. So these all things will makes us unique. How we are different from other competitors. So we keep our eyes constantly on changing technologies and provide most valuable and updated content for our participants so that they can know each and everything, like what is happening in the market, and they will be getting the practical hands-on experience and everything, every technology that will be built around or used to build the IoT product. So we use most modern technologies to create world-class training experience. In Hytron, we used to use very modern and latest technical tools like GoToWebinars or something like that to create a highly professional and corporate training experience. We have highly qualified professionals who take care to meet individual expectations, because a lot of time what happens is reason to get the training into IoT is very different. Sometimes it's about the jobs, getting jobs. Sometimes it's about building your own product. So whatever it is, whatever your requirement is, we will help you, to reach your individual's expectations. Our 100% hands-on training approach is unique in itself, which enable our participants to prototype their idea into actual running product from scratch. So if you are the person who is coming with just an idea and wants to build the product and learn about all sorts of different processes and architecture of IoT to build your own product, then we will be the right choice for you. Now last but not least, let's talk about Hytron. Hytron is an embedded hardware and software company. We pay attention to both technology and the people who use the technology, something like IoT. We started our operation in September 2013, and since then we have conducted a corporate and academic training for IoT. Okay, we have trained a lot of different engineers from different companies like Tata Technologies, Persistent System, Wipro. We also have signed MOU with 32 different engineering college across Maharashtra. Apart from that, Hytron is a development team for the Tata Technologies. We have recently deployed, Hygate is a product which is a IoT-based smart energy metering system for Tata Technologies Pune. Apart from all those accomplishments and achievements we believe that our biggest achievement is we have trained over more than 800 plus engineering students and also 150 plus professionals from different business, different industries as a part of their IoT training. So if you are the person who wants to get into the IoT or learn about IoT, or you want to build a product around IoT, then you must have to visit Hytron. If you have any question about a training, feel free to write us an email or give us a quick call, and we would be very happy to answer you. Thank you very much for watching this video.